it's Marek, welcome to MDrives. Today I will be addressing another issue I have with this car, well not actually with the car, with one of the accessories I put on this car about 2 years ago. I'm talking about the fake M performance tips. They maybe look nice when you buy them, but unfortunately after 2 years they are absolute junk. The lacquer peeled off, started peeling off about 6 months ago, and it's slowly progressing. It just looks terrible, and I think it's just embarrassing to have them on a 30k car. So really, I thought I need to come up with a solution. Obviously, I won't be buying genuine tips because they are just too expensive. So the only other option was to find something aftermarket, but something which even when goes wrong, I can respray or do something to make them look nice again. So I thought, let's go with something simple. And I purchased these slush cut black tips. They are gloss, so I'm expecting that maybe after a year or two, the paint might peel off or something. However, they will be so easy to just sand and powder coat or just respray with a matte black or something like that, which I think will look decent. So I think this is the best option, and the best thing is that they are cheaper than the fake and performance ones. So I paid 140 quid for the set of 4, which I think it's a really good price. So without further ado, let's get the car on my little ramp, take off the old tips and install the new ones, and then you can tell me in the comments what do you think about them. So as you can see, these are held by these clamps, which I'm going to remove now with the number 14, and then we can slide them off. Now you can see how different they look like. Diameter is, I would say, very similar, but yeah, we'll see how they look on the car. So we've got the first 2 on. I think the colory bits are just from the ceramic coating, because I ceramic coated them. But overall, what do you think? They are different. I'm not 100% convinced yet. But I think they look smart. I'll have to live with them for some time. Obviously the car is dirty, so maybe when it's clean it will much better. I don't know. Maybe I will powder coat them. We'll see. I think for now I'm happy with how they look like. As you can see, the fake and performance ones, they look absolutely terrible. I mean, they are all rusted as well. I don't think there is a point trying to resurrect them. Maybe it could be done, but I have no time to invest into this. So yeah, I think they will end up in a skip. So, what do you think, guys? Was it worth it? Was it better to go with another set of fake and performance ones? I'm not sure yet, to be honest. I've got a mixed feelings, and maybe that's because they are very glossy black and they stand out a bit. They are definitely different from the carbon diffuser, which is more a greyish than black. but I think I just need to get used to it. So hopefully within next couple of days, I will get used to them and I will like them. Otherwise, the other option would be to powder coat them to make them matte, which I might do. We'll see. Stick around to find out what's gonna happen with them. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you shortly in the next video. Please make sure you give this one like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you shortly. Thank you. Goodbye. Do widzenia.